You know a recipe's good when half of the recipe's on the recipe.
It's been used quite a bit.
It's covered in barbecue sauce. It's good too, because it's not too sweet. Because you use the old molasses. It's like, have you tried just molasses?
No, I'm assuming it's like syrup.
No, but it's like just tape. Seriously. Oops, gonna prolapse.
Oh, it's mega sweet.
Oh, it's mega sweet, but it's like, you know, that's where they make rum from.
Got a kind of a licorice element to it.
Well, it's like the, when they make sugar canes, the leftovers.
I got molasses on the floor. It's okay, Nath. Cheer up, mate. Just a little
I've ruined the sauce.
Having some of the very best of the old BB.
What are we doing tonight, Grego?
What are we doing tonight? We're going to... I mentioned on my episodes that we've been going to do the Little Dum Dum Club. Tonight, I skipped number 4 because I'm a pussy. But tonight we're going to the Drunk Cast.
Now this is going to look really gross because of how much sugar you put in this fucking thing. Huh?
Brown sugar. Brown sugar! Had to be done. We
That's
actually
like,
try and make English style brown sauce one time.
like a HP or something.
Yeah.
But this is good because it's good for cooking. You don't really have it for dipping. It's not because, like you said, that's ultra sweet, but it goes like bittery sort of.
Especially when you smoke. When you smoke something.
So got that
Well, you missed. We didn't see one of those ingredients, Nath.
Gotta put the old JD in.
Jack Daniels. Got some tomato sauce, which looks like Nath has kept upside down for ease of pouring.
Well, you keep it upside down because then it doesn't get mouldy.
Ah.
You know, sometimes it gets mouldy on the top.
Oh fuck! There you go.
You turn it upside down, and then the egg doesn't get
Seals
to it. Yeah.
There you go. Yeah. Learn something else. So what else we got? We got ketchup as well.
Yeah, just normal sauce.
We got some Worcestershire. Liam Parents. It's the only one.
Yeah, that is the only one. And that's going to be used in the pasties too. You got to have Worcestershire sauce on the pasties.
Yeah. And brown sugar.
Brown sugar!
So Nath said that we have to do this constantly stirring. Constantly stir this.
Constantly stir.
Hey Nath, it's still daylight outside.
I was going off on that yesterday too. It's fucking only 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Fucking hell.
That's one of the cool parts about the Dum Dum Club being so early. You spent the whole day with mates getting morning. You fucking the show's over and you're like, fuck,
It's still lit.
it's still light. Where are we going now? Good Nath rubs his hands together and goes, what's next, fellas? Can't say cherry anymore, though.
Yeah, no more cherry. Funny, you know they got their first show. They've already booked their first show.
It hasn't even opened yet.
Nicola Dairy.
I know that name.
Yeah, he was in Queens of Stone Age. He was in Caius.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
He's done a lot of horror shit. He's sort of like the everywhere man. But that was that one time I went to. Me and James went to see The Darkness.
Oh, yeah.
We went to see The Darkness, then James piked it. His boss came and picked him up and said, I'm going to Cherry. Went to Cherry by myself. No, with this other dude I was talking to at the Exford. And then Nick Olivera was just playing solo acoustic there at Cherry. It was like, fuck yeah, this is sick.
Got that, James.
Yeah. Suck it, James. You missed it. Brown sugar! On the floor over there.
There's no trickery in cooking with Nath. We leave everything in. You spill some brown sugar! You gotta clean it up. You can't just leave it on the floor like Greg does when he cooks inside.
I'll put the Jack Daniels in.
Some chili sauce.
It's a big blood.
Some from Nath. Wow, that's a very different aroma. I've never experienced that before.
Yeah, it's the alcohol coming off.
But it actually smells JD alcohol. It doesn't just smell like booze.
No. That's got to go for a while. A cup of this shit. I think that's what we did last time. So it's like half a bottle.
So you just go.
I'll still measure it out.
There we go. Nath follows instructions. Nath has a pet hate for people that don't follow instructions. Just so you know. Like I don't know. It's like.
You reckon it's been about 10 minutes? A bit longer?
A bit longer.
Yeah. So now we've got this yummy, oniony, garlicky bourbon mixture paste.
You can see it's sort of breaking down too.
And then you can smell that the alcohol's gone out of it.
Yeah.
So now we need to put in the rest of the shit. Okay, so there's a fuck ton of tomato sauce.
It's starting to look more like sauce now. I guess that's going to happen when you put 2 cups of sauce in it.
I think it's pretty good. Because we went to the
Bundaberg.
Yeah, the Bundaberg factory, and they had it all there. Had to go in this big room of molasses.
That's a very efficient little spatula thing.
Oh, it's so good. You think it's novelty, but then it's really good.
Can you just show that how easy that's coming out? That's getting into the corners and everything. That was a present, wasn't it? Dani's mum or something.
Yeah, Danny, what? So that's a fuck ton of molasses in there. So now it's going barbecue-y. How's that?
That's made it a bit more runny.
Yeah. But even with like your other barbecue sauce you just have for dipping in there, you just shove a little bit of this in there and it goes like smoky.
Yeah, remember you did that when we had the day with Jared was here and we cooked up
all the
different spices, yeah.
Yeah. The two things you could be liberal with, I guess, is the Tabasco and the smoke. Like how smoky you want it or how spicy you want it.
Yeah, that's true.
That's everything. We've got Tabasco, brown sugar, Worcester, liquid smoke, vinegar, tomato paste, tomato sauce, salt. We haven't put black pepper in, molasses, Jack Daniels, garlic and onions.
You have any white pepper?
I do. Tastes different though. Push up in. That smells good, do you reckon?
Yeah. And like you said, you always do. You use this with long cooking things.
But you can put it on. We can put it on your. We use it for like pizza bases and stuff, or like barbecue meatloaves and stuff. Yeah, it's good.
Okay, so we're gonna do an episode cooking with
Slow motion. So we need to get that to the boil now. We need to bring that up.
So that it just keeps stirring it continuously?
Yep. So we want to get it up till it starts bubbling. Is it all in my beer?
You got molasses in your beard.
We want to bring it up, then we're going to bring them down, then we bring them up to human level, then we bring them back down again.
I didn't get your face in,
I have lost the lid, sha-la-la-la.
So from what I observed, right, you made this barbecue sauce ages ago and you ran out. But of the things that you bought to make it, there was enough left to do a second batch.
Yeah, like the important stuff.
Yeah.
Like you're not going to use molasses anywhere else.
Yeah, so it's not like you have to lash out every time you make it.
No, you can do 2 of those. Like you're always filling up sauce.
Yeah.
But you get half a bottle still left over.
Yeah.
And then
And the smoke, you can make heaps of batches out of the liquid smoke.
the liquid smoke going in a little bit. Tabasco you use a little bit. much sugar.
It's like even the smoke is sticky. The steam, sorry. Yeah. It's like my hand is getting sticky.
What have you been doing, Greg? What was the first movie filmed at Fox Studios Sydney?
Fox Studios Sydney. Pirates of the Caribbean?
No. I think it might have been earlier than that.
Earlier?
90s. Would have been 90s.
Roger Rabbit?
Nah. So I think mega popular.
Mega popular.
Mega popular.
Come on, Roger Rabbit was pretty popular.
Okay, go. Say.
But I was pretty young then.
No, Roger Rabbit was. We were only.
I was a kid. I remember the Easter of the Roger Rabbit movie. Every fucking thing was a Roger Rabbit related. Popular movie, 90s.
How do I hang on? It's like science fiction sort of.
Oh, not The Matrix.
Matrix.
Really?
Yeah.
I knew that was a very Australian based. I'm going to do some wings and we're going to test out the new barbecue sauce. It's got to be the full V.
Yeah, it's got to be full. Most people would cut it off. So what the fuck are you doing?
I've probably said this on film 100 times, but when you cut them in half and do those wingettes and niblets that you can buy from Coles, you've just unsealed it. So when you cook it, all the fat just, you're losing everything.
Yeah, shit.
So what then will they do to combat that? They cover it in some fucking shitty Coles marinades.
Yeah, that's it. Let me shove these in, shalalala.
There we go. Reduce down. Now, does that look like fucking sauce or does that look like sauce? Yeah. I'll demonstrate how to use this sauce.
Like we did before.
I just got told off by both people.
Did that hurt? Two sterilised jars. It just sticks on there pretty good. So we're going to be seeing some of this sauce on the next episodes of Barbecue with Greg.
Yes, we will be. I think my next episode is going to have to be like a low and slow fucking pork rib.
Oh yeah.
You reckon, Nath? Might invite you along.
Ooh, look at that.
Well, they'll cook for a bit while they cool. While they're cooling. What do you think?
Oh, they're good. Let's turn this fucking thing off.
How's that smell, Dani?
I just farted when I'm in.
I actually farted. Alright, so we're getting ready to feed the dog. He's a big dog. Massive can of towel right here.
It's not